Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This is a 19-foot boat. As you can see on the back here, it's got the sea deck on the back swim platform, the nice walk-through on the side. There's storage underneath that back compartment. Inside the boat, we have a nice wraparound seating. The seat that you're looking at has another seat that can flip out and make a little bench there. Got seating in the back. There's a cooler underneath one of those seats in the rear. Here in the bow, nice spacious bow. Got a Fusion speakers, Fusion audio player. At the helm, you got a flip-up bolster. This boat's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. Again, Fusion audio player there. Also comes with a Garmin that was mounted on the side. It's in a really great location and out of sight. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit the like button and subscribe.